Welcome to our channel Education for Everyone. Today we will make bubble wrap in Scratch. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Education for Everyone. Today we will make a new project, bubble wrap. For this, we have to go to the chooser sprite. You can choose any sprite you want. But I will choose ball. Now you have to go to the costumes. You will select the ball. You will go to the floor and you will go to this option. Now you will take any color, like any color combination, like purple and blue, and you can do the same like this as outlined. Let's get started. So now we have to go to the events, and then we have to select when green flag clicked. So when the green flag clicked, the games begin. Then you have to go to the logs and put show the green flag, it will show it. Now we have to go to the motion and put set by to 140. Now we have to go to the control and put this repeat block, and we have to set this to 6. Now inside of this repeat block we have to go to the motion again and put set x to negative 210. Now we have to go to the control and we have to put this repeat block inside of a repeat block. Now we have to change this to 8. Now inside of control, here is the option create clone of myself. We have to drag this and put inside of repeat. Now we have to go to the motions and put change x by 60. Now we have to come outside from this repeat block and put change by negative 60. Now when we come outside of repeat blocks, we will go to the looks and put hide block. Now we have to go to the control and drag out this block. When I start as a clone, and then we have to go to the control and drag out this wait until block. So we will wait until, then we have to go to the sensing, and then we have to drag out this touching mouse pointer block. So now I have to go to the sound. I have to drag out this block. Start sound pop. Now we have to go to the control and drag out this block. Delete this clone. So what it will do when it will start as a clone, so it will wait until touching mouse pointer. So when it will show it and start as a clone, when we will touch it, so it will pop it and sound like pop, and then it will delete that clone. So it will be like this. So it will delete its clone when we touch the mouse pointer with it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in next episode.